Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you enjoy the review. As I promised, I'm going to put the sound of the 9F up now. I would have done it straight away, but I actually had a problem with the model. One of the wires inside was loose. However, I will say that wasn't Bachmann, that was me. It was one of the wires I'd used to connect the sound into the tender. I'd accidentally pulled on one of them and it was shorting out on the chassis. But now it's fixed and it's all working properly. The sound, as you know, is a house sound decoder. It has 10 functions altogether. But I won't be showing you functions 9 and 10, because 9 is acceleration deceleration override, and F10 is a shunting mode, so there's no sound effects for them. But functions 1 through 8 are all sound, so that's the ones I'm going to be doing. I'm going to put in the description which sound is which, and in the corner here I'm going to be putting which function I'm going to be using at the time. So, here we go, and I hope you like it. Okay, so those are the 8 sound effects. Like I say, I've put the numbers so you can see in the description which is which. So I'll give you a shot of it running. Pick it up to speed step 8. Now I know the chuffs aren't synced up with the wheels. I've tried to make it as good as possible, but it is nearly impossible to get the chuffs absolutely right. I don't know how some companies do it, to be honest. Go a bit further, go to speed step 10. It's got 10 out of 28 speed steps. Up to 12. I think that's a good speed. That's probably the speed I'm going to be running at. And bring it down to step 6. Good clanking sound there. And then bring it all the way to a stop. And there we have the house sound in the 9F. Hope you've liked the review and the sound demo. I'll be putting another one up soon. I've not decided which one I'm going to do yet, although I think I know which one I'll do. So you'll have to see you next time when I put a video up. Hope you've all enjoyed that, and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.